So I'm here discussing the state of the older condo. We have to maximize reserves by the end of 2025. All the buildings are going under their restoration. I swear on Collins Avenue, every second condo does not have a pool because the pools have to be redone because usually they're sitting over the garages and they have to be reinforced and all that. And it's tough. It's a tough market right now. So the first thing they've addressed is that we have to have a full reserve. And that's going to, in the future, benefit for everyone because then you'll be able to do repairs without assessing people. But in today's market, we're still working very much on assessments. And plus, we have to, since we have to fully reserve by the end of 2025, we have to assess for that as well or increase maintenance. What does that mean? It means that a lot of people on fixed incomes or people that had budgeted for their condo monthly expenses at X are now going to have to pay Y. And many people cannot afford that. So what's the fallout? Many condos will be hitting the market in September. I see people waiting for selling season to get rid of an older condo. Again, this is just for condos 5 stories and higher. If you're in a low rise, a lot of this doesn't matter to you.